Learn SQLite in neovim. Episode 7, Order by. Sort your results any way you want. So far, results come back in insertion order. But what if you want them sorted? Order by sorts results. ASC for ascending, DESC for descending. Today we sort our music library by year, duration, artist, and multiple columns. 6 sorting queries. Let's begin. We create orderby.sql. Same music library as before. Insert mode. Comments and dot commands. Dot mode column. Dot headers on. Create table songs. Same 5 columns we have been using. Title, artist, year, duration seconds. Year and duration are the columns we will sort on. Table defined. Same 8 songs, we know them well by now. Blinding Lights, Bohemian Rhapsody, Shape of You. Billie Jean through Stairway to Heaven. All inserted. Last row. 8 songs ready for sorting. Order by year. No ASC or DESC means ascending by default. Save and run. (1971 first, 2020 last, oldest to newest, ascending order). Order by year, DESC. DESC means descending, newest first. Save and run. (2020 first, 1971 last, reversed). That is what DESC does. Order by duration seconds, DESC, longest songs first. Save and run. Stairway to Heaven at 482 seconds. Then Hotel California. The shortest song is last. Order by artist. Sorting text goes alphabetically, A to Z. Save and run. Billie Eilish first, The Weeknd last. Alphabetical by artist name. Two columns. Order by artist, then year DESC within each artist. Save and run. Sorted by artist A to Z. If an artist had multiple songs, they would be newest first. Where and order by together. Filter first, then sort the results. Only songs after 2000, sorted newest first. 4 songs, filtered and sorted. Where comes before order by? GG. Review all our sorting queries from the top. Recap. 3 key takeaways. First, order by sorts results. Default is ascending. Add DESC for descending. Second, sort by multiple columns. First column is primary, second breaks ties. Third, combine where and order by. Filter first, then sort. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more SQLite tutorials. Next episode: limit and offset.